guys, it's Melody. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a really exciting, I guess, unboxing slash review. So I'm just gonna put it all together because I'm gonna open it and show you guys everything that goes along with the bag and why I love it so much. I'm seriously obsessed with it. It's the Dior saddle pouch, and it's not the saddle bag. The saddle bag's the one that looks like curved like this. This one's like a rectangle like pouch clutch. I really love this one. I think I like this one more than the other one just because I love like little clutches like this. But I'm so excited and so happy that I got it for my birthday from my boyfriend. But it's the perfect size for when I just need a little something to like put little cards or like lip gloss or my phone in. It'll actually hold my phone. I'm obsessed with little bags, but sometimes the little bags that I like, they don't fit my phone. So I'm really happy and excited to show you guys this one. And a lot of people actually really liked my unboxing on my Dior oblique sneakers. So I thought I would do this review to show you guys the bag that I got. Alright, let's just open it up so I can show you guys. Get excited because I love this bag. So it came in a little box like this. I actually did not even see this bag in person, like physically in person. I've seen it in people's videos and like online and stuff, but I think I was just so obsessed with it that I didn't really mind if I saw it in person or not. I knew I was gonna love it regardless, so this was kind of like a blind purchase. Not really though, because at least I've seen it. Anyways, okay, let's just open this up. Sorry, my voice is kind of raspy today. I don't know why. It's really weird, but okay, listen to the crunch. I love the crunch of this. Open it up like this, and it's the bag right here with the dust bag. I love this white bag. It's so cute. Here's a little dust bag. So this is the size. Oh, let me just take it out. Here it is. I'm so happy. Like, this is so cute, and it's the perfect little clutch size. I love this, and I can actually get the details for you. Let me see. The dimensions are 22 by 14.5 by 3.5 centimeters. Love it. Actually, this bag has been sold out for a while, so make sure you guys turn on your notifications on the Dior website if you guys are looking to purchase this. I think this was out for a while, but luckily they had it right before my birthday, so Justin was able to get it for me. But they do run out pretty quickly, so yeah, make sure you guys get on it. And I think they do stock up once in a while, but just turn on your notifications so you guys will know when it's back. But this canvas is so nice. This, I don't know how to explain it, but just like the feel of this is so nice, and it just feels really expensive. And I'm obsessed with their monogram print. This is one of my favorite Dior like prints, and there's a little D here, and the clasp is like a magnetic clasp, if you can hear that. It's gold, super nice. There is 6 card slots. It actually came with a chain, and that's like the one thing that I really love because I love gold. So this chain came with it, and it's a gold chain that you can clasp on the side. Let's just clasp it for you guys so you can see how it looks. And I love wearing my bag like crossbody, so I think that's also why I love this so much, because I think the saddle bag is only on your shoulder. I'm actually not 100% sure, but look how nice this is. Oh shit. The perfect length to put on your shoulder and for crossbody. I love wearing it in the front just so like you can see it whenever you like walk past me or whatever. It's just so cute. So it has 6 card slots, and the inside looks like this. It's not very big, but it's perfect for like gum or like mints or your phone or just little toiletries, you know, for girls out there. There's a pocket in front as well, and behind the card slots there is another pocket where you can put, I don't know, cash or whatever you want to put in there. And there's a little zipper. The zipper in front to put like coins and stuff. I love this bag. I love the canvas. It's just so nice. Feel of it, you just know it's a really nice, like luxurious bag. Yeah, I love this, and I love the color, and this one actually also comes in their burgundy, but I just love this color, and I think this is such a classic that I'm gonna keep for a really long time. So excited to be wearing this. I feel like I've been saying so excited like this whole video, but it's seriously so cute. So if you guys don't want to wear it with the chain, you can always take it off and hold it as a clutch, but I personally just love the chain, and I think it's just perfect that it's gold. All the detail and like accents together are just really nice. I can't can't say enough of how good this bag is. Cute little D for Dior right here. Yeah, they just designed this so well, I feel. It's just so nice. ASMR. So if you guys love this bag as much as I do, I think this was about $19.50, but plus taxes like a little over $2K. So save up for it. It's a really nice bag. I highly recommend it. I will be wearing this with a ton of different outfits. So if you guys are interested on how I style this bag, definitely check out my Instagram. It'll be in the description down below so you guys can see all the outfits that I wear with this pretty little bag. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. If you guys like these kind of reviews, let me know too, because I can do a review on my Saint Laurent Right Gouge bag that I also got for my birthday. I have the best friends ever. Yeah, let me know and I would love to do that. Oh my gosh, this bag is just so cute. Okay, anyways, I'm like talking too much about this bag. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go get your hands on this bag, or at least go to the store to like check it out and stuff. You will fall in love. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!